How's it going, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident, where we are live trading cryptocurrency on every single video. Congratulations to everyone who is following this channel, and those of you guys who are subscribed over at tradeconfident.io, make sure you guys are doing that. It's completely free. You can see the website up here. It's in the description. We are doing very well on Polkadot today. So we are actually up over 10%. All of you guys who are following this, guys, I'm calling out trades for free here. This is the trade that was called here. So let me give you guys a quick update of the last thing I said in here. Basically, I said our first buy limit was hit on DOT. I'm so glad we were patient for this entry and didn't get greedy and buy in higher. Patience will pay off on this trade. I was looking at this and I'm like, oh man, we're creating this higher low. Maybe we can get in. I was like, no, we got to get structured low on here. Got a huge discount. And guess what? All of you guys who are following this channel, you guys are up. So great job. Those are annoying. Great job, guys. So at the moment, you guys are currently sitting up here 10.38%. Way to go. So round of applause to you guys. Let's cover some news and then I'm going to go over and see how high this can go or how low, and I'll go over that technicals. But huge milestone for Polkadot. But Polkadot as first functional parachain goes live. Like, guys, this is sweet news for us. So those of you guys who are just diehard DOT fans, you guys are seeing some nice bullish movement in your ticker today, in your crypto today. So great job. I think this one can actually get up to this 28.58 structure high. But here's the point that I just want to make, and we'll go over the technical analysis of how high or how low we're going to go and things I want you guys to watch out for sure. Okay, let's make this quick. You guys who are in here, I go for between 10 to 20% profit on every single trade I call on this channel. So if you're like, hey, I want to, services like, oh, I want to make like 5%. Like, no, we're doing between 10 and 20% every single trade. That's the goal. So you guys have technically already hit your 10%. So you have done completely like what the S&P 500 normally does in an entire year. You've done that here, and you've done it in about, let's see how many days this took you guys. So not too much. I'm not going to spend too much time on this because you guys can pull this chart here. But it's in a matter of about 2.5 days. 2 days and 12 hours, you did more than the S&P 500 in an entire year. Just by following this channel, it's completely free, and subscribing over here to tradeconfident.io, which is also free. Eventually I will charge because I'm making you guys a lot of money here. But let's take a look in here and see how high or how low we can go. But just to make that point of, you can exit whenever you want. Don't wait for this thing to go to the moon. That's my personal take. You can actually make more money if you buy and sell the support and resistances than you can holding. I went over that in the diamond hands versus the paper hands debate that we had there on another video. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This tells me what the retail traders are doing. I might actually rename this to retail trader sentiment, because this is honestly what this really is up here. So when retail traders see that the price is above the stochastic, the MACD, and the RSI, do you guys know that when the price is above the RSI, it's not necessarily you guys are looking for overbought territories. It just means that it's actually it's moving in an uptrend format. Okay, I don't know if you guys knew that, but it means it's moving in an uptrend format, that if you go to lower time frames, you're creating higher highs and higher lows. I'll prove that to you guys. Let's go down to like a 5-minute time frame and look at this. This is creating higher highs and higher lows in here. So we have a low, a high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, trying to push to another higher high. So that's what's happening all within this trend right here. Okay, on a higher time frame, you're going to see a green RSI because it's obviously above the middle point. But going to lower time frames, that's a little cheat code for you guys of what's actually being presented to you on the 4-hour chart with that indicator. Okay, so now that we have actually pushed above the 100 MA, this is incredibly bullish for everybody in DOT. Okay, for me to see a move above the 50 is going to be very nice, because everybody preaches this. The trend is your friend. So if we can see this 50 MA turn green, this will be a very nice push for us to get up to the structure high up here. And I got to get those off my chart. A structure high up here where you guys can get taken out at 28. Watch this though. So we see the price versus the well money flow. And what we saw here was positive correlation. If you guys are watching the other videos I did on Ethereum yesterday and the other tickers, I said this: when the price line, which is in pink, and the green line, which is the well money flow, move positively together, this is when huge things happen in the market, and it's very hard to stop that. Well, also, when this green line gets to the top up here, that's when the whales look to take a little bit of profit. So that's when the move is going up. And when we get up to these top points, that's when the whales look to take profit and start moving the price down. But until we get up to this high point up here, it's actually pretty bullish. Now, I do want to call this out. I do think we will see a dip back down, and we could possibly see it come back to the entry. So that's why this end of the video is very important. So listen to this carefully. If you got into this trade, all of you guys who took this trade call on the website, the tradeconfident.io, if you want to take out 10% today and take it home, that's not a bad idea. I am personally expecting to see a drop in the market. Every single time we've gotten up this high in the trend exhaustion, we have seen reversals. Take a look at this. Follow my hairs right up here. We've seen a big reversal right here. Look at that. We saw a huge reversal actually right there. And then we start getting up into these points up here where we see reversals as well. You're like, well, that's not that much. Well, it's 17% reversal. That's taking out all your profits on this trade. Now, yes, if we go down, we'll get triggered in, we'll ride it back up. But if you're following this channel, I'm giving you guys all these free trades. This is free money for you right now. This is over 10%. Let me give you an exact percentage here. It's 10.88% you're up today. So that is not a bad place to look to take profit if you feel comfortable there and you want to move on to another coin or another trade call I make, okay? I just want to put that out there because we could see this move up a little bit more, or it could be moving back down. My personal call in here is I actually think DOT is going to start seeing a move down here because all the technicals are perfectly aligned up for that, and history, if it repeats itself, is going to move the price back down in the next 1 to 2 days, okay? I would say in the next 24 hours, we are going to see a dip in the price here. So take your money out at the peak. That's up to you. Not financial advice, but great job for all you guys who are subscribed to the channel. We're making money. Good job, guys. 10.88%. God bless you. I'll keep the trades coming. Subscribe for live videos here. All the indicators are available in the description. Live trading on every video. See you guys.